this is Annette from Real Leads Finder Pro with another quick tip. And this one, we are going to create a digital card within Go Highlevel. You know, this is a major update to the QR code profile and business cards, which brings you a whole new look and feel, new templates, new colors, powerful customization options, and new ways to connect with your audience. The QR code or digital cards are completely redesigned from the existing profile and business cards to give them a cleaner, maybe more modern and professional appearance, which in turn helps you make a great first impression. So we're going to go over here to Sites within your account and just click on QR codes. And we're going to here where it says create QR codes in order to get to the menu options, which is right here. And you see you can create a business card, a V card, but in this case, we're going to do a profile card. Okay. And now you see here, this is the preview. We're just going to go over here to where it says next. Okay. Profile picture. I'm just going to go ahead and browse here because it's in my media. Okay. And enter my full name. Now that we've got the main information here, we're going to now focus on customizing this. So we're going to go ahead and click next. All right. And you can pick and choose which social medias you want to have on here. I think I'm just going to stick with those 3. Now, the cool thing is that if you wanted to add additional links to forms, say, you can do that. There's the URL. So I put book a call and then I put in the URL. And here I can select an icon. I'm going to look for, let's see if calendar. Yeah, here we go. Calendar. And save. And look, here it is. Book a call. You can connect any form that you want. You know, it could even be a payment form. It could be a form to order something, one of your products or services. It doesn't matter which. But I already have my website here, which does have forms in it already. So I'm just going to leave it at that. But I just wanted to kind of give you, an idea of what you can do. Styles. Oh, look at this. You can choose any one of these, like any one of those as a background color. It's kind of nice. This one, the green, that's okay. That's okay too. Or we can go dark. I'm kind of leaning towards this one, guys. Oh, button color. Yeah, I don't want it right here. See this? Let's change the button color and we'll go ahead and make it. Look, that works. Okay, I got lucky. All right, that works. Show icon label. Yep, so right here. So this is what it looks like so far. Logo or icon. So if I wanted to change the icon. Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. You can even change the icon color to match. Oh, actually, I could make it orange. Let's make it orange. All right, this works. What do you think? And here's the great thing also to keep in mind. So now that I've got this designed, so how can you use it? Well, every profile or business card includes a save contact button by default right here. You see where it says save contact, which allows the visitors, the person you're sharing that with via mobile phone, to instantly save your contact on their phone. You see, with a single tap. And you can collect visitor information directly from your digital card. Last thing, in Exchange Contact, by the way, you can create a form that attaches to your profile here that when they fill it out, it adds that person straight into your CRM. You can either start from scratch and create a new one, or if you click here, you can use any one of forms that you have already built into your account, your Go Highlevel account. And even when you select that, you can go to edit form. Okay, so this is the form that's going to pop up. And let's see, I can toggle this on. Now, by toggling this on, the Exchange Contact form will open up by default. And this is what they see. They can close it, obviously, but this is what they'll see. In other words, hey, you've got my info. Here, let me get yours. Okay? Or if you wanted to just automatically download your contact info into their mobile contacts, you can toggle this on as well, and it'll just instantly add it to their contact record inside their phone. You can also attach a QR code if you already have one. Then you could just go ahead and do that, and the logos, and and just do it all here. I hope you really enjoyed this quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share, and get ready for next week's quick tip as well. You guys are going to love it. Take care. Bye.
If you're new to Go High Level and looking for a way to shorten your learning curve and get up and running quickly, check out Realtors Finder Pro's courses. The Success Hub is a step-by-step video library built for beginners with ongoing training on automations, AI tools, reputation management, and real marketing strategies. Visit realtorsfinder.com for more information.